Hello everyone. So we are done with the basic that plotting things and everything using the Matplotlib. Okay. Now suppose you want different marker like a circle or a star, or you can say that point or diamond shape or square. Then what we can do is, first of all, our program will remain almost same, but only thing is we have not used X points, and in previous video only we discuss about that. If X points are not given, then default value for X points will start from 0. And then obviously it depends on the length of Y points. So here total 4 values are there. So X points will be 0, 1, 2, and it will be what? 3. Now the main purpose over here is to use marker equal to. Okay, so suppose if I write marker equal to O, okay, and in the plot function we are writing only Y points because we do not have X point in our program, and we are considering it will take default X points. So control S and F5. See, we are getting dots, but at every location. Okay, it is not like we are getting from start to end. So obviously marker equal to circle, what it means that we can have like here we have used one keyword argument. That keyword argument is a marker, which is used to emphasize each point with the specified marker. Means each point, it means this one, or you can say this one, or this one. So obviously it will emphasize each point with the specified what marker. Now specified marker means what? Here we have specified marker equal to what? O. Suppose if I write star or asterisk sign, control S F1. See, now it is star is coming. See here. Same way we have so many different marker like point, pixel, square, diamond, triangle, up, down, left. Here also we can have a triangle, hexagon, vertical line, horizontal line, square also possible. Suppose for example small s. Okay, yeah, control S F1. See, now it is coming what? Square. So that is all about different markers. Thank you everyone.